These Merry Christmas Pretty Bernie Sanders. Let's open up this picture. 2020 Best Animated GIF. Greetings are the perfect way to make them feel special and have them feel the spirit of the festival of joy and giving. On Christmas Day, people are busy decorating their homes, churches, and streets. These can include decorating the neighborhood or a shopping mall, putting up a Christmas tree, and planning a nativity display, concert, or performance. A free Merry Christmas sign printable is a super easy way to refresh your holiday decor. You can also check Merry Christmas wallpapers for free if you are looking for the best religious Christmas message to wish your loved ones. Friends, this Pretty Bernie Sanders. Let's open up this pit shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Christmas is a Pretty Bernie Sanders. Let's open up this pit shirt. Sign of stars, angels, and love divine come down from heaven. May the love of Christmas remain with you. May you have angels rejoicing at your doorstep. What do priests and Christmas trees have in common? This is common, but the other products